Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Indamu for his question. The Ministry of Trade, Cooperative, MSME and Communications has been actively leading Fiji's participation in international efforts to bolster our cybersecurity posture, including coordinating capacity building and cooperation efforts in combating cybercrime. Mr. Speaker, sir, the landmark United Nations Convention Against Cybercrime is the first of its kind at the UN level and provides a global framework to strengthen cooperation among the 193 United Nations members in addressing the growing threat of cybercrime and addressing online child sexual exploitation and abuse, while also safeguarding human rights and fundamental freedoms. And in fact, it is the first UN criminal justice treaty in over 20 years. I'm proud that Fiji, through the Ministry of Trade and Cooperative, MSME and Communications, with strong support of the Solicitor General's Office, actively participated in the more than 3-year negotiation process of this landmark treaty, which was ultimately adopted by consensus and without the need for a vote on Christmas Eve last year. There was a signing ceremony for the convention on 25 and 26 of October, and 72 parties signed that convention. Fiji intends to sign the UN Convention Against Cybercrime, and Fiji has endorsed the signing of that convention, which builds upon the solid foundation laid through our accession to the Council of Europe's Budapest Convention. It further underscores our recognition that cybercrime is a transnational challenge that demands a coordinated and united global response. Once we have signed that convention, our next step will be to undertake the necessary legislative reforms to align our national laws with its provisions, as well as with the second additional protocol of the Budapest Convention, which we signed in June of 2025. We are partnering with the Council of Europe for that, and we will then look at ratification processes which will be tabled before this August House. The encouraging news is that the UN Convention Against Cybercrime is well aligned with and built upon the Budapest Convention, the very framework that guided the development of our Cybercrime Act. In conclusion, we are determined to ensure Fiji plays its part as a responsible member of the international community, ensuring that our citizens and businesses are better protected from the harms of cybercrime while contributing to a safer and more secure digital environment globally. In summary, Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji remains firmly committed to the signing of the United Nations Convention Against Cybercrime as part of its broader cybersecurity and cyber resilience agenda. Although Fiji did not attend the recent signing ceremony in Vietnam due to the transition of the communications portfolio to the Prime Minister, the Ministry has completed all required efforts, including cabinet approval in order to sign the convention. The government intends to sign the convention at the earliest available opportunity, aligning with Fiji's international partners to combat cyber threats, improve digital forensic, and strengthen cooperation during investigation of cyber incidents. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.